By taking advantage of MudShark's material management systems, you'll be able to control things such as bulking and compression factors, as well as what materials are suitable for reuse across your site. You'll find all material related tools from the Data ribbon tab. Global Materials contains a list of materials which can be used in any project which shares the same database. If you find yourself using the same materials throughout all of your projects, it might be a good idea to create and name all of them here. That way you can quickly access them in any of your future projects. To create a new material, first decide its category on the left. You can also create new categories if desired. Double-click on the placeholder entry at the bottom of the list on the right, then enter a description. Select the color you want it to appear in the 3D view and any bulking and compression factors here. Please keep in mind that any bulking compression factors you set in Global Materials will always be applied when using this material in future projects. If some materials have different factors depending on the time of year or weather, it might be best to leave these as default in Global Materials, and then change them per project. Click Save to finalize your input. You should now see your new material in any of the applicable lists. Project Materials displays the materials used within your currently active project. Appropriately, any edits made to materials here will only affect them for this project. You'll also notice some additional options here. Operation Waste Percentage determines what amount of either strip or cut is to be exported as waste. These values are calculated before any individual material wastage factors. The Restrict Reuse checkboxes are enabled by default to prevent strip being used as fill and cut being used for respread. Inside each material, you have an unsuitable percentage value, as well as where it can be reused throughout the site: respread, structure fill, and ground fill. If you are reusing a material with bulking and compression factors, the bulking factor will be applied first, and then the compression factor applied next.